Okay, here we are at Lex. Boy, what a change, 23 years. Amazing what she has accomplished. There are so many elephants out there. Some of the dogs going crazy. This is the gathering area. Hi, baby. That dog's always right there. These are all these boards educating about different programs and problems with different issues with elephants. This I absolutely love. Hi, hi. These are the dog beds made of tires. You look like a big daisy. Hi, hi. All these dog beds. These are some of the workers out there. She also has refugees from different areas that needed a place to live so they can live and work here. Some of the elephants out there. More information about different rescues and elephant care. Look where she's growing flowers and plants. Absolutely incredible. Recycling area. Here's all information about her, Hillary Clinton. She was awarded the highest award you can get from France for conservation. There's her husband, Derek. There's Palm, who we met 23 years ago, kind of looks like that. This is when she was in LA with us at the Genesis Awards. And then this is the area. Good morning. This is where they have food. Huge buffet last night. My gosh, what she has done. It's, for the queen who died. She even has a coffee shop, a store, dogs everywhere. Absolutely incredible. And then wherever you look, there's elephants, obviously, and other animals. There's some of them.
This time, my sister missed out on the first trip 25 years ago.